Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you what if I delete Duolingo apps on my phone and how you can delete it from your phone. So in here, I've already have this Duolingo on my phone, and if you want to uninstall it, there are several ways that you can do. You can directly uninstall or delete it from your home screen by long press on the app, and there will be these options, this trash bin icon, and here you can just click on uninstall, and within seconds the Duolingo apps will be deleted or removed. Or the second way is that you can go to the app settings. You can click on settings and go to apps and find the Duolingo on your phone, on your list of apps. Let's scroll down. Okay, this one. Then you can just click on uninstall button. So that's the second way, and the last way is that you can open it on your Play Store. You can see this is the Duolingo, and then you can just click on the uninstall button in here and tap on uninstall again, and just like that the Duolingo apps will be deleted. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.